Hello, let's give an example on accuracy of Simulink in answering the step and hit response of systems. In doing so, I choose the transfer function step. And the scope to display the output. And the mux. I get 2 copies from the transfer function. I want to show the step response for different functions. I set this step time 1 in the first second. I set the function like this. Now, as you can see, the Simulink showed the answer of step responses accurately. This accuracy made Simulink a very useful option for controlling projects. Now suppose that we want to show the hit response. We don't have any block to create the hit in a specific time. We should use other blocks to create it. Well, here we can use hit crossing, which I explained it in chapter 3, but working with it is a little difficult. So here I prefer to use 2 step functions. In doing so, I add another step. Also, I add a sum. As you can see, I have 2 steps. I have 2 steps. As you can see, I connect one of them to plus and the other one to minus. First, I specify the hit time. For example, I want to enter hit to system in the first second. Then for the other step block, I set the step time 1.1 second. this step function in the 1 second is upward, and the other step function in the 1.1 second is downward. This causes that these two steps neutralize each other, and we just have that step in the 0.1 second. In this way, we can make impulse function for our system. It was the heat which we entered. We can shorten it. For example, by decreasing the time interval of this function, we can enter the heat function very, very small. Now we can see the accuracy of Simulink in determining of heat response. As you saw, by zooming in, we could see the answer in the time interval. So the Simulink has high accuracy in specifying responses of step and impulse in controlling systems. Save it as a step.